Hi there, it's Joan. This week we're looking at 5 random hands from the online school, the website, under random hands. And this is anything goes. And here we have 2 passes to south. Well, the hand has 11 high card points and 1 extra for the 5th club. In first or second seat, you might think twice about whether to open it or not, but in third seat, it's a definite opener, 1 club. You can open a little light in third seat. They overcall 1 spade, partner has a stopper in spades. What better than to be in 1 no trump? Wow, okay, so let's think about how to play this hand. We have a 5-3 club fit, so we'll probably make 4 club tricks. Hearts are very weak, so we want to stay right off those. The diamonds, we're missing the king, and they've led a spade because from the bidding, just click on the bidding, West overcalled 1 spade showing 5. So this 9 will be a doubleton. That'll be the top of their spades. This means that West will hold ace, king, 10 and 5 spades. So play low. They put the king up, which may or may not be the right thing to do. Now they're playing the ace. And we win the queen. Throw a diamond. Now we probably need to play a low club to the ace or the king and duck a club. Oh no, the clubs have broken. 4-1, what a nightmare. Still, our 7 of spades made a trick. What luck is that? Oh, this is a hard hand because the clubs have broken 4-1 and the hand that had 5 spades also had 4 clubs. So that's 9 of their cards. What to discard here? We've made 2 tricks. This is a third, 4, 5. I don't think we're going to make our contract. Because we can't get the club set up, I'm actually going to discard a beautiful, wonderful club and play a club to the ace and hope that the diamond king is where we want it to be. It was not. Oh, they're returning a diamond. That's heavenly. So play the queen. Take the ace. The club is not a winner. The only thing we can do now is hope that we are not going to make this contract. Still, we did a pretty good job. The bad news was that the clubs broke 4-1 and they had, look at this hand, it was very strong. We actually got 83% for going down -1. Why was that? Possibly, let's have a look at everybody else's scores. That's a very big percent when we failed for going down 1. But what were the other people in? 50 players, 100, 2 spades, 1 spade, 1 spade, 3 no trumps. Looks like this hand was a generally tough hand to play. Well, it's a good start, 83%, even though we failed. East-West didn't have much of a contract between them either. So anyway, let's go on to the next hand. Oof, not much of a hand. Pass from us. Partner overcalls 1 spade. Big question, do we raise spades or not? I'm going to. We've got 3 silly old queens, but we do have 3 spades. So it's dangerous, but I'm going to raise to 2. It's a good idea to show the fit in a competitive auction. They are bidding 3 clubs. We have done enough. Oh dear, we were hoping partner wouldn't do that, but they have. I don't think we'll make it, although partner has a very nice hand. We have only 1 club loser because partner has a singleton. The bidding's gone on. This hand, West, opened and East passed. And when West doubled, which was a takeout double, a reopening double it's called, asking partner to bid and saying that they're better than minimum, they bid 3 clubs. So East won't have much. We can rely on that. They lead at club. We've got 1 club loser, hopefully only 2 heart losers, 1 diamond loser, and we don't know where the king of spades is, but if we can, we'll take the finesse. Ace of clubs, we are trumping. I'll trump with the 9 just because we want to be sure. Now, how is best to cross over so that we can take the spade finesse? There's very little chance of getting to this hand. So I think it's too dangerous to even try to cross over to the south hand to take the spade finesse. I'm going to do something a bit unusual. I'm going to play ace of spades and queen of spades. Let them have their king. Oh, the spades broke. 6, 3, 3, 1. They're returning a spade. Okay, we win spade. That's the end of the trumps. I would now play ace of diamonds and a diamond. Play the queen. Now another club. Trump the club. I've been avoiding playing hearts on purpose because I don't like the fact that we're missing the 10. We could lose 3 heart tricks here. There's the 9. Play the queen. I'm a bit worried about hearts. They're returning a heart. Okay, that's hard as well. Oh, now we're going to lose another heart trick, the king. And we are now winning this, and the 10's good. But we go down by 2. Oh, did badly. Minus 200 is always a bad score. There was just no hope of our getting over here to actually ever take the spade finesse, which was a big pity. And the opponents will easily have made clubs. If they were in clubs, they would have lost 1 spade, no hearts, 1 diamond if they guessed the diamonds, and no clubs. So they would have done quite well. I think 35% is a bit mean, but anyway, what happened? What did other people do? A lot of people, 59, 29 made their contract in, that's amazing. 51 players were worse than we were. Oh, it's a hard life. Okay, so let's look at the next hand. We're the dealer. Still got nothing again. We've got 3 queens and 2 jacks. 3 jacks and 3 queens. Pass. Oh, we have to just bid 1 spade. We've got 4 of them. Partner says 2 diamonds. Oh, what a terrible hand. It's usually better when North says I've got 5 hearts and 4 diamonds to take them back to their first suit, because at least we know there's a 5-2 fit. Oh, they're sensibly passing. Right. Oh, look at their terrible diamonds. We've actually got 2 diamond losers, 1 club loser, that's 3, no spade losers, and we don't know where the heart king is. So I'm going to unblock the king. I don't want to get stuck with that king. So play the ace of spades And do I risk crossing over to a club? Yes, I'm going to. Okay, that worked. So that's 8 clubs gone. There's only 1 out. These are winners. And we hope to eventually pitch the diamond. So please, King of Hearts, be in this hand. Oh, it is. Things are suddenly looking up. Now, we've played 2 rounds. We don't know whether the king's going to drop now, but I'm going to try it. Looks as if it will. Oh, terrific. So we've drawn trumps. Now we can enjoy these clubs. And I'm going to play the Queen of Spades, and I'm pitching a diamond. They're taking the Ace of Diamonds, and we've got the last 2 tricks, which was pretty good going, considering we didn't have a very good combination of cards. But we found the hearts were 3-3. We used the entry to get over to take the heart finesse, and we got 76% for that. So the moral of the story is that when partner opens and bids a second suit, usually go back to the first suit if you've got 2 of them. Oh, at last a hand. Oh, and partners opened 1 diamond. Wow. This is a big hand. We're definitely going to game. Let's start with 1 heart. And I'd like to say now, here is, we could bid 3 no trumps, but we've got total void in diamonds. If we bid 3 clubs here, that should be a forcing bid saying we've got hearts and clubs. They want to play hearts. Do we go any further? No. Oh, luckily we didn't, because we've got 2 or possibly 3 spade losers if they trump. I'm going to play the 10, and oh, they went wrong. Isn't that lucky? So interesting now. We're in 4 hearts. We've got a potential club loser. We don't know where the king is, but we need to take the club finesse. They've made a very bad defensive mistake, and we can capitalise on that because we're going to discard those spades on the diamonds. But we can even have a better chance by playing the Jack of Diamonds. The Queen covers it, but we're going to trump, because now Ace, King, 10, 9 are winners. So I'm going to play the Ace of Hearts and hope the hearts are breaking 3-2. Yes, they are. So we're going over to the king, which draws the last trump. Now the diamonds are winners. Whoa. And we've made 8 tricks. We've got 9, 10. Let's just go for the club finesse. It lost, but that doesn't matter. We can now trump the spade, and the clubs are good. We've made 11 tricks. This should give us a reasonable score. Oh yes, 94% for making that extra trick, I think. So interestingly, we tried the diamond jack because we knew we could trump it, and we also knew we had an entry with the King of Hearts to be able to enjoy the diamonds later. So I don't think many people would have made 11, and that's the reason we got 94%. Most people, I think, would have made 10. Someone made 6. That's almost impossible. Yeah, they made 10. A lot of them were in 3 no trumps. I prefer hearts. But anyway, return to play. Now for our 5th hand. One spade by the opponents. Do we double? We've got 4 and 3, a 7, 1, 8, and 1, and 9. We could count 3 for the singleton. I'm going to be a bit daring, and I'm going to make a takeout double only because of the shape. Partner bids 3 diamonds. We now pass. Okay, we are defending 3 diamonds. Partner's got diamonds. They've got spades. What to lead? I think the ace of diamonds. It may be right and it may be wrong. No, turned out to be okay. They're leading a trump. I've no idea why. What to discard? I think 1 club. We're okay. Only 1 club and the diamond. And now they're playing clubs. We are holding carefully onto the king. Ooh, they're trumping that. Gotta hope partner's got something in hearts. That's why they're throwing their clubs away. Well, they could have. They didn't need to lose all those tricks. Or they... Wow. They made 11 tricks, yes, and we got 17% for that because they made 11. They made 6 spades. I thought we might get more because some people might have been in 4 spades because there's only 2 diamonds and 1 heart to lose because the clubs are right. There are no club losers if you take the finesse. You've got 6 spade tricks, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm surprised we got 17. I think it was because we let them make 1 extra trick. Oh, well, we did our best. So have a great week, everyone. Keep playing those random hands and the lessons. Okay, bye.